Hi, welcome to Brainy Burst. This is Premvada and we are going through the CSS3 tutorials. So let's start with the animation. Animation is basically when you want to do some thing on your web page, like moving a particular element from one place to another place, like that. So first property is the @keyframes. This property is used to create animations. Like let's see the demo for it. I have created a page with the animations.html. We have another property that is animation. In this it is a shorthand property, like where you put the time and all those things. So now this your keyframes is the name of the property, and your custom is the custom name. You can write anything in place of the custom. If you want, you can just place move also, and you have to change over here also. That means here this animation will take this keyframe parameters. So this is like infinite and this is the time duration. So over here this is 0%, 25%, 75% and 100%. That means in the starting of the animation, your animation will be at the top 0 pixels, and then at the 25% your animation will be at the 100 pixels from the top. So like this you can move it. Another thing, as we are using it in Chrome, so I'll write WebKit over here, and for the animation property also have to write WebKit. So now this is your initial. After I've saved it and refresh it, you can see that 100 pixels, 159, 300 pixels. So like this it will be moved. Supposingly you want it to be like 50 and after 100%, 100 pixels. So now you can see that it has moved to those pixels. Another thing, supposingly you want it between 0 and 100%, and you want to change the color and the width also. Like over here at 0% I want it at the top, and background is blue, and the width is 200 pixels. But at the 100%, like in the last end of the animation, it should be from 300 pixels from the top, background should be green, and width should be 400 pixels. So let's save it and we'll see how it will work. Refresh it, and now you can see that it has moved to green. Another thing, we have the animation name. This is the animation name, like the name of the animation that is there in the keyframe. After that you have the animation duration, like in how much time your animation should complete. Like instead of animation property I can like this. Save it and refresh it. So now you can see that it is not infinite, it has stopped only once, because we haven't mentioned anywhere infinite over here. So if you want, you can also set it at like 9 seconds. Refresh it. So now it will take 9 seconds to finish the animation. After that we have the animation timing function. This property specifies the speed curve of the animation, like linear, ease in, ease out, ease in, out. So we have also seen this in your the transition thing. So let's put it over here also. we have to write WebKit as it is the Chrome we are using. So this is ease. So if I write linear over here, slow, now it is slow. So like this you can place the timing function. Your animation delay, that means at what time your animation will start, after how much time. So supposingly I want my animation to start after 2 seconds. So I've refreshed it, so after 2 seconds the animation is started. Another thing, we have animation iteration count, like how many times you want your animation should be repeated. You can also place the infinite over here, or you can place the number. Supposingly I want it only once. Refresh it. But if you update it with 2, the animation will operate twice, and after that it will stop. So now you can also put infinite over here so that your animation will continue infinitely. After this you have the animation direction. The property specifies the direction of the animation, like you want it in a reverse direction or alternate, which direction you want. So now you can see it has started from the bottom and it is going in the reverse direction. That means green to blue it will go. Or you can also put alternate. So now it will go in the first, it will go in the first direction, then in the alternate direction, and then start. So it will go like this. After this you have the animation play status, like whether you want the animation to be running or paused. So now over here your animation is running, but if I want it to be paused, so now your animation will not run. After that, this is the animation, your shorthand property. You have seen it in the starting with the initial keyframe property. So the sequence is the first name should come, then duration, timing function, delay, iteration count, direction fill, model, place date. So like this you can continue with your animations. You have seen keyframes, animation name, animation duration, animation timing function, animation delay, animation item iteration count, animation direction, animation place date, and after that the shorthand property for all the animation properties. So thanks and have a nice day.